Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your skin doesn't bounce back the way it used to? Maybe fine lines seem more noticeable. Maybe your skin feels drier, thinner, or less firm. Most people think expensive creams are the answer. But what if one of the biggest secrets to healthier looking skin starts with something much simpler? Water. Not just plain water, water enhanced with natural ingredients that may help support collagen production, skin repair, and elasticity from the inside out. Today, we're looking at 5 natural ingredients you can add to your water that may help your skin stay smoother, firmer, and more youthful over time. And make sure you stay until the end because the final ingredient is probably already sitting in your kitchen right now. Also, like the video, subscribe to Green Health Channel, and turn on your notification bell. Let's get started. First up, lemon. This bright little fruit is packed with vitamin C, and vitamin C plays a major role in collagen formation. Think of collagen as the framework that helps keep skin firm and elastic. Without enough vitamin C, your body struggles to build and maintain that framework efficiently. Adding a few slices of fresh lemon to your water is an easy way to increase your vitamin C intake while making hydration more enjoyable. Plus, many people find that lemon water encourages them to drink more throughout the day, and hydrated skin simply looks healthier. Next is cucumber. Cucumber water has become popular for good reason. Cucumbers contain water, antioxidants, and nutrients that help support overall skin health. They're also refreshing and incredibly easy to use. Just slice a few pieces into a bottle or pitcher and let them sit for a while. The result is a light, refreshing drink that can help support hydration, which is essential for maintaining skin softness and elasticity. Now, let's talk about aloe vera. Aloe is often applied directly to the skin, but some people also enjoy food-grade aloe vera in drinks. Aloe contains compounds that have been studied for their potential role in supporting skin hydration and repair. The key here is to use only products specifically labeled for consumption. A small amount added to water can create a refreshing drink while providing additional skin-supporting compounds. Moving on to ingredient number 4, ginger. This spicy root does much more than add flavor. Ginger contains powerful antioxidants that help your body deal with oxidative stress. Why does that matter? Because oxidative stress is one of the factors associated with visible skin aging. Many people enjoy adding a few thin slices of fresh ginger to water and letting it infuse naturally. It creates a subtle kick while delivering beneficial plant compounds. And now for the final ingredient, one of the most underrated additions you can make, mint leaves. Yes, simple mint. Mint contains antioxidants and plant compounds that can help support overall wellness. But there's another reason it's so useful. It makes water taste amazing, and when water tastes better, people tend to drink more of it. That may sound simple, but consistent hydration is one of the most important habits for healthy-looking skin. Here's the big takeaway. No ingredient can magically erase wrinkles overnight, and no drink can stop aging completely. But these natural additions can help support your body's normal processes while encouraging better hydration and healthier daily habits. The real deal isn't one ingredient. It's consistency. Small, healthy choices repeated every day often create the biggest long-term results. So if you're looking for a simple place to start, try adding one of these ingredients to your water this week. See which one you enjoy most. Your skin may thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who wants healthier, more youthful-looking skin naturally. And tell us in the comments, which ingredient would you add to your water first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.